So for question number 6 now, we have to continue expanding and most likely we have to simplify. Okay, so here's the worksheet, counterpart of it. So let's demonstrate via the worksheet. So let's write our solution. At E. So let's write it down. Let's write down the expression. Bear in mind it's an expression because there's no equal sign. So this is an expression because there is no equal sign. Okay, so you have 5x plus 2x, which is stuck to the bracket. So is the 2x we have to use to multiply. Is the letter or number that is stuck to the bracket that you have to use to do the multiplication. So it's not with the 5x, it's with the 2x. But this looks familiar, no? I swear this 5x plus 2x outside of 1 minus x. Oh, look at there. So we are doing, oh, that E46 and that E is the same. Okay, so is that the same for the assignment? No. So what I need to do now is to use F, because I recognize in this note. So that's minus 5. Oh, let's do the one that have that one they have some more negatives in it. So that is minus 2b. The more negatives, the more interesting. And that's a plus 3b outside of 1 minus b. Okay, so is with the 3b we have to multiply, because it will not stuck to the bracket that we have to multiply by. So we carry along the minus 2b. Okay, minus 2b. But now we're going to multiply by 3b. So it's a plus 3b times 1. And you notice a plus 3b. So don't just rush down and write down minus as you see minus. Continue multiplying by plus 3b. So it's a plus 3b again, because you are distributing plus 3b times a negative b. Okay, it's very important. Don't just rush and put down a negative sign because you see a negative. Continue multiplying by the what is stuck to the bracket, the coefficient, okay? And after you can write down your final answer. So we carry along the minus 2b we had there. And a plus 3b times 1 is 3b. And a plus 3b times a negative b, bear in mind there is an exponent of 1 above the b. There's an exponent of 1 above the b. We have to add the exponents when we are multiplying when the letters are the same. So that's negative, because of 3 times a negative 1, there's a negative 1 in front of that b there. A positive times a negative is a negative. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3b raised to the power of 2. Okay. And then we can see that negative 2b and plus 3b are like each other. So simplification can happen there. Take out 2 from 3 will give you 1. Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Minus 3b all squared. Okay, so that's the final answer for this one. All right.